Got him. Let's go look. There he is. It's getting a little easier shooting and filming at the same time, so I'm getting more kills with it. Alright, here's the squirrel. It's a big one, a really big one actually. What should I say? Well, there's about a 20-yard shot from, well, those trees to, not the porch, but I was hunting back in those little trees right there. I have a little stand for my gun set up and everything. Well, no, not from the porch, I'm sorry. Not from the stand, I was on the porch this time. But, yeah, he's pretty good. I'll have some more kills coming. I've gotten 3 already today, so hopefully this isn't the last. It's starting to get dark, though. So, peace out for now. You know what to do on the videos. Rate them, comment on them, subscribe to my channel. Get more of that. Peace.